Hey fishy people, welcome back to the channel. Today's fish is a really cool nano fish that I found one day when I was searching for other Rasboras and they didn't have what I was looking for. And that fish is the neon blue Rasbora, or the blue Axelrodi Rasbora. Scientific name is on the screen now for y'all. Now these stunning nanofish have a blue-green body that is very iridescent and sparkly. They come from the islands of Borneo and Sumatra by Indonesia. They're a schooling fish best kept in groups of 6. And they're meant to max out at like 3/4 of an inch to an inch. They live in blackwater pools and streams, which are near peat swamps, which leads to their natural habitat being very acidic and causes the water to be brown with all the tannins from other things being released from all the decomposed matter that has covered twigs, branches, and leaves and other botanicals. So as for tank parameters go, you're going to want to keep these guys in a pH of anywhere from 4 up to about 6.5. Since most of us probably can't keep our pHs that low, I would say try and go 6 to 6.5. You're going to want to keep these guys in at least a 10-gallon tank because they do require extremely clean water conditions. And for a temperature, you're going to want to keep them between 70 and 80 degrees, again in a group of 6 or more. They'd have a typical lifespan of 2 to 5 years, and they are an egg layer fish for those that want to try and breed them. Now they're a peaceful nanofish, so they'll stay about the mid to top level of your tank, and these stunning fish are going to add a very good pop of blue-green sparkliness to any nano tank or community tank that has a good little bit of flair to it. And they're most part easy care for, though some say they're more intermediate level of fish, simply, if I had to guess, because of the pH requirements being so low. But as my water is low to begin with, I have not had any issues with that. Now these guys are an omnivore, so they're going to want to eat pretty much anything you can give them. I do a nice quality flake like an extreme community, or a bug bite tropical, maybe add in a freeze-dried Hikari Daphne or tube fix every now and then maybe you can try something like a Hikari Micro or an extreme nano. And since these fish have extremely small mouths, you're going to have to stay at that smaller nano-sized food. And again, these are very peaceful fish, so you can basically put them with anything that can go in their same parameter waters. But I would be mindful of putting them with too big of a fish that can predate them and, eat them. So I would probably stay away with things like mollies, platies, swordtails, big stuff like that, angels, things like that. I would say keep these guys with your tetras, your other small rasboras, things of that nature. They also prefer a light flow to their tanks because they're a quick moving fish. So I wouldn't, put them with anything that's too crazy or too high up of flow. They, of course, like other fish, will do so much better with clean, good quality water. So you might have to do slightly more regular maintenance than you are used to on your tanks. They're also not the hardiest fish in the hobby when you compare them to other rasboras, especially compared to the Harlequin rasbora. So for all of these reasons, even though they're a stunning fish, super happy I stumbled upon them. Because of the care level and specific acidic water conditions, I'm only going to be able to give these guys a 7 out of 10, but I highly recommend them to anyone that has naturally acidic water and wants to give these guys a try because they are a stunning fish. So as always, thank you all so much for the support on all the videos. If you're new here and you enjoy this kind of content, please hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have kept these fish before, if you want to keep these fish, and of course, leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it. And until next time, I'll catch you guys around.